Hey everyone, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In today's quick video, I'll show you how to add a credit card to your Amazon account right on your PC in 2025. If this helps you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more fast tech tips. All right, let's dive in. First, head to Amazon.com and click Account and Lists at the top. From the drop-down, select Your Account, then scroll to Payment Options. That's where the magic happens. Click Add a Payment Method, choose Credit or Debit Card, and type in your card number, expiration date, and that 3-digit CVV code on the back. Double-check everything, then hit Add Your Card. You might see a quick verification step. Keep an eye on your email or phone for a code to confirm it's you. And that's it. You've successfully added a credit card to your Amazon account. Let me know in the comments if it worked for you. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot, and I'll catch you in the next one.